Hello dear students, today's problem is very important. You all have studied in my previous videos that what is the meaning of one and onto function, many one function, into function. Today I am taking a problem, and with the help of this problem we will make our concept more clear, as well as how to answer these type of sums in the board exam. And this type of problem is very important from the board examination purpose, as well as in the competitive exams also. When you are giving the exam for your engineering courses, that time also these type of concepts are very important. Now see, show that a function r star from r star is defined as fx equals to 1 upon x. We can say inverse function is 1 and onto, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. This is the first part of the sum. Now here this function is from non-zero real number to non-zero real number, that is 0 is not there. You all know it that 1 upon x is not defined when x equals to 0. So here its domain and range is all the real number except 0. That is the meaning of this non-zero real numbers. Now first we will prove that whether it is 1 or not. Now if I take, let x1 and x2 belongs to this first set, that is non-zero real number, that is domain part first. Now so let x1 and x2 belongs to this r star. Then here fx1 will be 1 upon x1 and fx2 will be 1 upon x2. Please see this now, because fx is 1 by x. So fx1 is 1 by x1 and fx2 is 1 by x2. Now this part is clear or not? Then suppose we take that fx1 is equal to fx2. It implies that fx1, what is fx1? 1 upon x1, and this is 1 upon x2. Now you see this part. If I cross multiply, what you will find? You will find that x1 is equal to x2. So we can say that if fx1 is equal to fx2, it means this and it means this. Yani when two elements are equal, their images are also equal. Or when two images are equal, then their pre-images are also equal. So we say here that f is 1 function. F is 1 function. That is the meaning of the 1 function. So the first part is that f is 1. Now I am explaining you that f is onto function. See the second part. Yes friends, now you see I am explaining you the second part, that is onto. Now let fx is equal to 1 upon x equals to y. This is the main part. This we are assuming that say 1 upon x equals to y and y is not equal to 0, and this y belongs to what? The codomain, this one. This y belongs to this one, this part. Then if you say 1 upon x equals to y, then what is the value of x? It is 1 upon y, make it reciprocal, and it belongs to the domain part, that is this one. This one belongs to this part. So what do you say here? That for every y, there will be 1 upon y, which will also be the real number. So we can say that this function is onto function. One more way I am explaining you that for every number which is present here in the codomain, there will be some pre-image in the domain. That is, all the elements of the codomain, codomain means second set, all the element of codomain will have some partner in the first set, and that's why it is onto function. Onto function means every element of codomain must be attended, and here in the second set no element will be left unattended. All the element will have their pre-image here, सबकी pre-image होगी. So in that case we say that it is onto function. Now I am explaining to the second part, that is the result true if the domain is replaced by natural number with the codomain remains the same. So in this part now, what is here, please see, I am explaining you in continuation of this part. It's a very small part. Here if I say f is, what is written here, if domain, so now the f is natural number to the real number, non-zero real number. Now you see in this process what happens, from natural number to this, you will find that it will be 1 1 function. There is no problem in the 1 1 function, because if x1 and x2 belongs to natural number, then the fx1 and fx2, suppose it is equal, then definitely x1 will also be equal to x2, as we have done in the previous part. There is no change in this, so it will be 1 1 function. But it will not be onto function. The reason being is, suppose I take one number from here and say the number is 3 by 5, suppose, or if I take a number 2 here or any other number, then 3 by 5 this side, according to this function, the pre-image will be 1 upon 3 by 5, or it is 1 upon 2. Suppose there is any element here, 3 by 5 or 2. What will be the pre-image this side? It is 1 upon 3 by 5. That is 5 by 3. And 5 by 3 does not belong to n. Say I am taking another number 2 here. This is 2. Then what will be the pre-image? 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is not natural number. So you will find that in the second set, there will be many elements. Like if I take 2, here it is 1 by 2. Yes, if I take here 3, it is 1 by 3. But if I talk about 3 here, this 3 will have the pre-image 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 does not belongs to the natural number. So it is not onto function. It is into function. 1 1, yes, it is okay. That every element will have some or other image here and it will be different. But when we talk about onto, it will never be the onto function, because there will be many elements here which will left unattended. They will not have any pre-image in the first set. So we can say that if this change is done here, then it will be 1 1, but it will not be 2. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.